STARFIRE is a 178-foot Benetti motor yacht. We sleep 12 guests in 6 staterooms. From the moment the guests land, I'm there myself. I meet them at the airport. I take them from the airport to the boat, and from that point on, you're with me. I make sure that everything is perfect throughout the trip. It's what I call effortless service. Our job is to stay ahead of you so that you don't have to ask for anything while you're on board STARFIRE with my crew. The main salon is the gathering place of the yacht. This is where everybody meets prior to dinner. We serve hors d'oeuvres, and appetizers there. It's also the first area that you see when you join the yacht. As you walk into the master cabin, you have a sitting room with a 42-inch TV with an integrated computer. The master cabin has a California king-size bed. There's 2 sitting areas, and there's a vanity where you can get ready for your night on the town. The master bath is honey onyx marble. There's his and her sides with a jacuzzi tub and an adjoining shower. I call the VIP cabin the room with the view. It has 2 large windows. There's also a small couch, there's a vanity, and the elegant VIP bathroom is outfitted in marble with a full tub. The Sky Lounge is a fun room. It's a great place to gather in the evening or after dinner where you can relax and have fun with your family and friends. The teak aft deck is really nice in the afternoons for the shade and the breeze. The sun deck has so much to offer. There's a sauna, there's a massage room. We have a dining area, there's a bar, there's a jacuzzi. There's a large lounge area which can fit all your guests. The sunsets are spectacular from this area, and you can watch movies under the stars. Water sports is one of my favorite things to do. I'm a water ski instructor. I grew up water skiing. We have all the tow toys you can think of, 2 wave runners, a stand-up jet ski. We have kayaks, paddle boards, 2 sea bobs, which if you haven't done that, these are the most fun you can have out on the water. Also, we have all the snorkeling equipment and beach setups that you can ever want. One of the things that sets us apart is we have 4 separate dining areas as well as world-class cuisine. The aft deck is typically where we serve breakfast. All meals are made to order. The main dining is the elegant dining area on the boat. This is where you want to get dressed up for dinner and really experience what STARFIRE has to offer. You have that formal dining experience like the top restaurants in the world. There's 2 chefs down there, and all they're doing all day is cooking for you. STARFIRE typically spends its winters in the Caribbean and its summers in the Baltic or the Mediterranean. But we're a world cruising vessel, and we have the ability to go anywhere in the world. The STARFIRE experience is designed to give our guests the best experience possible.